So for companies that are considering an investment from Anacacia Capital, first of all, I think you should be extremely flattered because their track record is very good. And if they're looking at your company, that means you're running a pretty good business. The second is that you should anticipate a very analytical process. There will be a great amount of rigour in terms of the due diligence. And if at the end of that process they're still interested in investing in you, you will have a very engaged partner that will be very closely associated with the governance of the company.
If you've been approached by Anacacia for an investment, I think you should consider yourself very lucky. The whole Anacacia process is very cathartic from a user point of view. They will go through your business very, very carefully. They will seek out the weaknesses and the strength in your business. And if they decide to invest, it's a massive vote of confidence in the strength of your business where they think they can help you add significant value. So I would think that if you're being considered by Anacacia, that's a big plus.
Any companies that are considering an investment in Anacacia should take a really good look at them. They are not like your usual private equity fund. They really get involved in your business and they really help you develop the business and maximise value. Most people who are doing this are doing it with an exit in mind, and they really understand what your mission is and what their mission is, and I would strongly recommend that you have a good talk to them and look at what they have to say.
Any company that's approached by Anacacia with a view to investment should consider that, in my opinion, very seriously and as an attractive option. You should also be very flattered because Anacacia do their research very well and are very selective about investment targets. They have a very talented team that does work in a spirit of partnership with the business. Once you as the business owner have thought through with Anacacia what you both want to achieve for the business, then that's a very good platform for moving ahead and helping the business expand to its potential.
If a company is looking at an investment from Anacacia, it's something they should seriously consider, as it will certainly give them a path forward to look at their strategy and a way of achieving it.
For companies that are considering an investment from Anacacia, firstly they should be very flattered because Anacacia consider many and act on very few, and they'll make a great ongoing contribution to your business. They'll make a good strategic contribution, they've got a good set of commercial minds, and they'll give you great ongoing support.
If you're a company that's been approached by Anacacia, I'd suggest listen to what they've got to say and think through their ideas. They've got a great track record of adding real value and they're a pleasure to work with.
Any company considering investment in Anacacia should go in with confidence. Anacacia is very professional. Again, Jeremy and his team, they're very good at what they do. I'd say it'd be a wonderful partnership with Anacacia. I was originally going to stay for 12 months and I'm still here 2 years later, which I think endorses the credibility of Anacacia.
If Anacacia expressed interest in investing in your company, then hurry up, do the deal and get ready for the time of your life.